You know the saying, the trend's your friend till the end. And Bitcoin's trending down. So a massive storm is coming to dump on us. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. Even though I see dark clouds ahead, it don't matter, right? I'm still in the pot 5 by 5. Still alive in Dubai. Man, yeah, Bitcoin don't look so good. But, you know, it doesn't matter because eventually it's going to look great. This is just an opportunity, if you're making money every day, to buy some cheap Bitcoin. And if you're interested in buying some Bitcoin or even trading these stormy weathers, right? Because, you know, you can make money while prices are going up and make money when prices are going down by heading over to bybit.davincij15.com. Link is in the description below. And so you could also buy some WAFFLES coin, 2bit.davincij15.com. Link is also in the description below. Okay. By the way, I do this thing live in front of an audience and they get to ask me questions at the end of the show. And if you want to participate in that and also, you know, get some inside information, you could do so by signing up at davincij15.com. Links in the description below. Well, I mean, it's really easy. davincij15.com is a channel name, so duh. Do you need the link in the description below? No. All right, well, looks like PEON coin has recovered a little bit. Let's see if it gets back up to its all-time highs, but it'll probably just get smacked down. You can see that, you know, we've come back up, and, you know, people are going to take profits. Of course, people who bought in this area, they're like, ah. And so this is going to be a little bit of a resistance area for some time. But then once we do break out of here, that's it. It's see you when I see ya. We're going to be at the 1 cent mark. So make sure that you load your bags whenever they dump the bags up here in this area at not 3, right? So yeah, WAFFLES coin. So it's not waffling. It's not waffling. Looked like it was waffling here, but it waffled up. And so yeah, we're gonna see some cool things come out of WAFFLES, especially when we hit the 5 cent mark, which is the $50 million market cap. Yeah, you're gonna be like, what? Man, I wish I'd pushed this thing up here sooner. PEIPEI, yeah, PEIPEI holding its own. Right? Yes, there's a lot of profit taking because we pumped all the way to almost 4,000, and so expect, right, some profit taking to be taking place. But once those people are out, man, PEIPEI is going to run, PEIPEI, run. All right, well, here's a little bit of news today. If you want to check this out, the links are in the description below, so you can head over to our Telegram group where I post this in the mornings. But let's go over some of the news, right? For 14 years, Bitcoin's 4-year pattern has remained unchanged until March 2024 came around. This is the first time Bitcoin has proven with price that the pattern may be changing. That's not true. That's not true. November 2022 was an example of that. And in that time, Bitcoin actually broke below its previous all-time high, which was considered impossible. But now it was possible. So now we're doing something a little bit different, of course. Back in February and March, we started running up to all-time highs, right? Before the halving, another new thing for Bitcoin, right? So what does that mean for 2025? Are we still on track for an explosive move? I'm saying, yeah, that's why I'm thinking, you know, I'm tempering my enthusiasm with Bitcoin. I think they have this thing managed, right? By pushing the prices up earlier than they should have. And yeah, we could see 100K as the maximum, or just over around 100K as the maximum. So I'm not going to discount this theory that, hey, we're not going to do something absolutely spectacular because the price management is in full effect. And so same with their CPI, their lying machine, right? They're saying, watch prices. Look, I adjust prices to make sure that the CPI the CPI, the Consumer Price Index, but I like to call it CPI because it's an obviously lie, because they changed the data to make it look good. And they're saying that, the core year over year CPI is going to be 3% to 3.4%. Okay? Right? So, with that said, that means it's on top of the 10% and the 20% that they did previous years. Oh, man. So, German government told taxes are robbery via Bitcoin inscription. Interesting. In protest to them selling Bitcoin, the users decided to show their contempt by sending an inscription in German government address, and it reads, Stein sind Rob. Yeah, hopefully I got it right. Yeah, it translates to taxes are robbery, and big read between the lines, German government. See this? Read between the lines. All right, let's take a look at some TA for today. Yeah, you see how they do. You think you got a good trade happening here with this breakout, and no. So yeah, that's why I told you 1% here. This trade, when we break out, let's see what happens. We wait for the breakdown, and if it breaks down, we take our losses and then reopen and reestablish another trade down here around the 55K mark, and see if that holds. But you might say, screw that, Da Vinci. I'm not bullish. I don't think that this is going to pump. Right? These W's are just fake outs in the trend. The overall trend is down. So we need to look for more M's than W's. And you would be right. Right? I have to admit that. I'm just, optimistic that Bitcoin is going to break out, give us a big pump up to here, and then dump. So, if you want to go with the trend, then, go for the W, the M, right? So you could say, let's see it. Is there an M there? Right? There isn't really one, because we've broken higher than this higher. And so we haven't created an M, but you could say that this is the beginning of an M. And so we can see that if we break these lines here or close below the wick candle body here, we can break down even further and continue its breakdown. So you could look at it that way as well. Ethereum seems to be holding the line. So I don't know. I think Ethereum says go, right? If it holds the line, go time, right? But let's just see, right? What the market does in the next little while. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.